it. Took my address off of here, but you know, this is what it came in. Then you know, it's in the classic Love Zoomies bag. I don't know if it's classic because it's my first thing I ever bought off Zoomies. Well, from Zoomies. Paid 70 bucks basically, $69.95, $8 for shipping, because I wanted it to come a little faster. So you know, I don't want my shit taking weeks or nothing. So came in I think 2 days or 2-3 days maybe. So the VANS X Independent Slip-On Pro Black and White skate shoes. And then the tax is $6, so total was like $84, almost 90 bucks. But it's still cool though, nice price, decent price. Okay, so now to show you guys the shoes. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Inside the box. I actually took them out already and tried them on, little do you guys know. Put them back in here so perfectly. But anyway, as you can see, got the classic little Vans slip-on design, but it got like a little kickflip little cap right here, which is cool because that's like a trick I'm currently doing a lot. So yeah, it got the, you know, the Dare cap right here on the front. So I don't know if the lighting's good. I kind of like how they put the little indie logo all on the side, and they got the independent logo on the back. I haven't seen nobody do a review on these, or haven't seen nobody wear them. I don't know why, but as you can see, kind of got the you know, Ultra Cush sole. Let me take it out for you. You can see pretty thick. And then they got, I like the checker design, got the little indie on there, so that I like that. That's pretty cool. I like the blue actually too. This is actually like one of my very first pro Vans I ever bought. But I've been needing some slip-on shoes because I'm tired of lacing up. Even that, honestly, when I only really tie my shoes one time, and then I kind of just keep slipping them on after that. So I might as well buy a pair of slip-ons. So, oh yeah, and you can see it still got the waffle bottom. I kind of like this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to get some clips with the shoes on. Actually, now that I'm wearing them now, they feel a little more broken in.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad and know, yeah. I'm sad and know, yeah.
Guys, as you can see, it got pretty dark out here. I'll say I had a pretty thorough search today with these shoes. They feel so natural. Yeah, they feel so natural now. They're definitely, they was broken in within a couple minutes I walked around in them. But anyway, yeah, so I'm about to start heading home now. And yeah, get this shit edited. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a thorough review. Hella cars behind me. As you can see, I'm back home. It's actually a whole nother 2 days or a day. But anyway, as you can see, so this is like 2 days worth of skating, for real. As you can see, it's a little straight popping out right here. Kind of took off the little design off. It's probably gonna be hard to see because it's kind of bright. But for the most part, you kind of got a little scrape on the Duracap right here. But not much reached up here with the kickflip area or ollie. For the most part, I would call it ollie because when I do ollies, I tend to use right here for the most part. And my kickflips, I kind of do flip from up here, so that's why they got so bad. But they did get dirty quickly as I expected with the white. Nothing much on these because, you know, I skate regular, so, you know, I don't do switch tricks. Not yet, at least, definitely. So, yeah, just dirty for real. I'll clean them up. I'm trying to give it enough time to focus because the last clip was really out of focus. I honestly do recommend these shoes though. They're very comfortable. Like, when I first put them on, honestly, it was a little bit tight, but I guess the elastic kind of did stretch, like, according to your foot size pretty quickly. So that's cool. So, honestly, I'll get another pair just like them. I kind of do want to get, not the same color, but I do want to get the one with the full, toe cap. So it bring it all the way around. So, yeah, because I'm kind of, this part, the thing I don't like though is, okay, this shoe. When it comes to doing like kickflips and shit like this, it kind of detach where your suede and where the whatever you want to call it, this part of the shoe is. So it'll detach it like right here, and then I really don't like that, and that's where holes and shit get to forming. So yeah, I would prefer the one with the toe cap all the way around. So if I can find some, or if you know a good website, because I got these from Zoomies, as I said at the beginning, if you know a good website, let me know. Okay guys, so that's about all of this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, you know, doing reviews on stuff, you know, more skate content, you know, just let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see. So leave a like on this video if you like, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Have a nice day. Namaste.